Hey women, how are you? Welcome once again to this empowering space where we talk about strength, growth, and the beautiful journey of becoming the best version of yourself. Before we dive into today's powerful message, I want to gently remind you, if you find inspiration here, if you feel these words touch your heart, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Your support helps spread this light to countless women who might be waiting for one spark of hope to transform their lives. Today's topic is not just a discussion, it's a movement, a reminder, and a call to action. Why a woman should be financially strong to rise her personality. Let's pause for a moment and reflect on the world we live in. Women are creators, nurturers, dreamers, and achievers. From raising families to building societies, from holding together relationships to standing at the forefront of revolutions, women have always carried the weight of responsibility on their shoulders. But there's one truth we cannot ignore: too many women still remain dependent, financially, emotionally, and socially, on others. Dependency is not always bad, but when it steals away your freedom, your choices, and your dignity, it becomes a silent prison. And financial weakness is one of the biggest reasons women lose their voice, their identity, and their self-respect. That is why, my dear sisters, being financially strong is not about money alone. It's about self-respect. It's about independence. It's about building a personality that shines with confidence and never bows down to helplessness. Money itself does not define your worth, but the ability to earn, manage, and control it gives you power. It gives you the ability to say, I can take care of myself. I can make my own decisions. I can stand tall in the face of challenges. A financially strong woman does not have to ask permission for her dreams. She does not need to beg for resources to study further, start a project, or explore her passions. She can say yes when her heart says yes and no when her values say no. That freedom builds a personality of courage and clarity. Whether in marriage, family, or society, financial independence creates a balance of respect. When a woman contributes, when she can take care of herself, she is no longer seen as a burden but as a partner, a leader, a contributor. That respect reflects in her confidence, in her voice, and in the way people perceive her. Life is unpredictable, relationships can break, jobs can be lost, circumstances can change overnight. A woman who is financially weak often collapses under these pressures, but a woman who is financially strong, she becomes unshakable. She can survive storms, rebuild from scratch, and protect her dignity. True personality is not about fashion, beauty, or external appearance. It is about how you carry yourself in the world, your confidence, your independence, your vision. Financial strength becomes the backbone of this personality. It allows you to dream bigger, act bolder, and speak louder. Let's imagine a young woman full of dreams but dependent on others for every small decision. She wants to study but she cannot afford it. She wants to start a small business but she has no savings. She wants to leave a toxic environment, but she fears she has nowhere to go. Her personality, no matter how bright, is dimmed by her financial chains. Now imagine another woman, maybe from the same background, but she works, earns, saves, and invests in herself. She doesn't need to beg for choices, she creates them. She doesn't wait for permission, she grants herself freedom. This woman's personality shines, her confidence walks before her, her independence speaks louder than words. Which one do you want to be? Being financially strong does not only give you material comfort, it gives you emotional peace. Anxiety, stress, and helplessness often come from financial struggles. When a woman knows she can pay her bills, feed her children, or support her dreams, she sleeps with peace in her heart. That peace transforms into inner beauty, into a glow that no makeup can provide. And yes, being financially strong is not an overnight journey. It takes effort, learning, and patience. Start with education, because knowledge is the foundation of financial independence. Focus on building skills, because every skill can be monetized. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small and dream big. Save and secure your earnings, no matter how little, because even drops make an ocean. And most importantly, believe in yourself. The most powerful tool is your own belief. If you think you can, you will. Dear sisters, understand this. Your personality deserves to shine. Your identity deserves to be free. Your voice deserves to be heard. And for that, you need the pillar of financial strength. Don't let anyone tell you You don't need to earn, or your worth is only in your home. Your worth is everywhere, at home, at work, in society, in the world. And your financial strength is the fuel that will take your personality from hidden potential to unstoppable power. So, my dear women, rise. Don't wait for someone to hand you your freedom. Earn it, claim it, embrace it. Financial strength is not just about money. It is about dignity, respect, freedom, and personality. Imagine a world where every woman stands strong, independent, and confident. Imagine homes where women are not silent sufferers but equal decision makers. Imagine societies where women are leaders, not followers. That world begins with you. Hey women, remember this. You are not weak. You are not dependent. You are not just a shadow. You are the light itself, and financial independence makes that light brighter. So promise yourself today, I will rise, I will earn, I will shine. And before you leave, remember to like, share, and subscribe this channel, so together we can reach millions of women who need to hear this message. Spread the light. Because when one woman rises, the world rises with her.